Hello friends from YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a dishwasher. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device or to yourself. These video is for education purpose only. Okay, we are gonna work with electric, so be very careful that your kids or pets are not around, and make sure there is no water on the floor, and be very careful. Okay, I lay down this dishwasher this way because I want to show you where the hose connect and the water line. So this is for the drain. Okay, this one connects right here. Most of the dishwasher, when they are new, they come in with this hose. And but in case it doesn't, you see this clamp right here? I don't know if you can see it. There is a clamp over there. So to remove it, just press it and then pull it. Okay. I don't know if you can see. I'm sorry. Right there. There's a clamp over there. Okay. So it goes here. This is for the here for the drain, and then goes right there on the top hole. Okay, right there on the top. There is another hole, but that's for the water line. So the water line comes right here, and connects right there, right here. Okay, right there. That is where it connects. I didn't connect it because I don't want to make my video super long, and it's gonna take me a long time, you know. And also I'm working by myself. And also this is the electric line coming from the wall. This dishwasher, we are gonna connect it directly to the power. We don't have any boxes over there, because if you wanna connect it with a plug it in, you need to install a box in the wall, and then instead of this, you add a cord that you can buy it at the hardware store, electric cord, and you add it to here. But I'm not gonna do that, so there is two ways to connect it, and this one is directly. So right here, the electrician left this line right here, and I just install it right there. Like I said, I didn't show you this because I don't want to make my video too long, but as you can see, it has two screws, and it goes inside the little box right there. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how to connect the cables. Okay, so you need three lines: electric line, water line, and then the hose line for the drain, for the dirty water. Okay, so I'm gonna put the dishwasher straight up. Okay, before I push the dishwasher back, I just put the hose right here, and I tape it because this thing doesn't hold it. So put a tape, and now I can put it back. Okay, so make sure it is straight and push it back. Okay, that's fine for now. So now I align the dishwasher, but I haven't pushed it back yet because I want to show you this. This is a little cover. It goes here in the box, right there in this box right here, right there. Remember that I show you where the line was coming from the wall. So this is the line. These are the cables. Okay, these are the cables that are coming. Three cables. So the black negative, white black positive, white negative, and this is ground, the green one. Okay, so we're gonna connect them same way right here. So this is the cables that are coming from the dishwashers, the ones on the top. Okay, right there, the three are coming from the top. This connect the dishwasher, and this one are coming from the power line right here, the one on the bottom. 3 cables, okay, and this is what it covers, the little box, and this plate right here covers the whole thing right here. But I'm gonna show you at the end how to put it back. It coming with 2 screws and 1 from the little box. Okay. So before we connect the cables, the first thing we need to do is to go and cut the breaker for this line. Okay. Let me show you that is power here. You see, it's power in the black one because that's the positive. Okay. So let's go and cut the breaker. Okay, and your box, make sure you cut the line of the dishwasher. Okay, just to be sure, be very careful. Okay, this I know for sure this is my line. Okay. See, no lights over there and no power over here. So now we can connect it. Let me show you. See, no power. Okay. No power there, but there is power here. And no power here. Okay, look, no power. Okay, so now we can connect the 3 cables. Okay, like I said, black with black, green with green, white with white. Black and red should be always positive, white negative, and green ground. But there is some electricians that they don't do it right, and they just messed up. That's why you always need a tester. So you see, you just take the cable, like let's say the green. Just take the green, just put it like together. Align the green with the green right here. See? And then put the cap on the top right there. And just twist it until it stops. Right there. Now let's do the white. Same thing. Okay, now we have the 2 connected, and I always put a tape just to make sure it doesn't disconnect. That way we hold it. See, little piece of tape. Some people don't use it, but I do. Some people do. I like to be very careful. I don't want anybody to harm themselves. So you see. Okay, so now that is connected, we're gonna push the cables back on the there like that, And the other one. Make sure it doesn't come out of the cup, okay? Sorry. Make sure that all the cables go inside, so when you put the little plate, the cover, it goes easy. Okay, right there. Now let's put the box cover like I told you. See, this has a little clip here and goes in the hole. Right there. And then you need a Phillips screwdriver. Oops, sorry. It's not easy to do. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, this little screw right here, the plastic, then you see the sign here, is to level the dishwasher up or down, depends. Depends of your space right there. Those are the legs, and so with this you level up or down. Okay, and also. So after you connect the cables, you need to install this cover, so it doesn't look ugly on the underneath. But I'm not gonna do it right now because I wanna make sure there is no leaking. Okay. So, but this one goes right here. Most of the dishwashers go like this. Let me see. Right there, that's the way it's supposed to be, and it has two screws, one here and one over there, right here. Okay, so that one I'm gonna put it later, just because I want to see if there is no leaking. So now we're gonna connect the water line that coming from there. See, here is the dishwasher. And it's coming from here, the water line, and the hose for the drain is coming on the top. Okay, and as you see right here, we put on like 2 lines, one for the sink and one for the dishwasher, and it's connected to the hot line. Okay, hot water. So I'm gonna connect this right here. Okay, make sure you lock the water. Okay, lock it to the right, and then with a plier just tie it. Okay, that should be good. Make sure there is no leak at the end. So now let's connect the hose for the drain. So it goes right here. This is the sink disposal. So here is the sink disposal right here, and it goes under the sink. And when you have a sink disposal, so make sure you connect the hose drain to the top of the disposal. Okay, so it goes like that. Push it all the way, I hope you can see, because it's really hard to record a video and then push it all the way, and you see this screw, you need to tie it, okay? Okay, that should be good. So now we connect the water line and the drain line. So I think it's good. So now let's put the breaker back, because it's safe now. Okay, so the dishwasher is on. This little plastic right here, it goes right here on the top. So you need to remove this white tape, and then stick it on the top over here. Make sure it's well aligned. So when you push the dishwasher back, then it's gonna look nice. Okay, and so now let's see. Okay, so the little plastic goes here, not like I told you. Sorry. See, so when you push it, doesn't look bad. Okay, so now let's put the water back. No leaking here, looks good. Same here, looks good. So let's turn it on. Okay, let's see. Wish me luck. Close. Okay, now it sounds like it's working. So thank you so much for watching my video. I hope my video helped you, and please give me a like, subscribe, and check my other videos. Thank you so much. That's the way you install a dishwasher. Right now I need to fix around, so it's not moving or something, so I need to fix that. Okay, thank you for watching.